Here are some things you can do to keep your garden looking great in drought conditions. Starting with, hook up a rain barrel to your downspouts. That way when it rains, you can build up your watering reserves for the entire summer. Mulch will help hold moisture into the soil. It will help protect the roots from extremes of temperature, no more than 4 inches around trees and much less around perennials and shrubs. Ground covers or green mulch also do the same as bark mulch. They will hold in the moisture. Remember, anywhere you have exposed soil, you're losing moisture. Soaker hoses are your friend. They put the water exactly where it needs to go without wasting. Drought-tolerant plants like euphorbias, this donkey tail euphorbia, like pincushion plant or scabiosa. There are a lot of grasses that are drought-tolerant. Succulents like the sedum, as well as the sempervivum, the hens and chicks over there, even the ice plant. They are great in those hard to keep watered places, and the pollinators absolutely love them. And make sure you use sunscreen. Gardeners are important too.